Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G9 Power. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept and choose confirm. Then tap on continue and tap allow. Now to send all of your files you need to go with sender on an Android and receive on Motorola. Click on all of these dots to send all of your files and tap send. But I don't want to do that, I will only go with one file. For example, this song. So I have to tap on it, choose send, and from here click got it. Over here you have two ways to connect. You can enter the key or scan the code. I will tap on the scanning icon, then just allow and scan the QR code because it's faster. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out, go into folder files, choose browse, click on audio, and as you can see, my song is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!